How to activate Discover credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in Activate Discover credit card and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, discover.com. With that, you'll be directed to the card activation page. You can activate your card logging into the account or without logging in as well. Select the option of your choice. I'm going to select without logging in. Then you have to provide these details. First up, go ahead and type in the card number. Then type in the expiration date. Then type in the sequence ID. Then type in your date of birth. Then type in the last four digits of SSN or TIN. After you fill all these, you can click on continue and go through the process for the card activation. So this way you can easily activate Discover credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.